Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Veeba's kitchen, and I believe you are all doing great. Thanks for returning. I appreciate you all. Please stay tuned to the end because today I want to share with you how to make this ever delicious potato porridge, and I hope you like it. The ingredients put together made this porridge super amazing. So if you're interested, please go nowhere and let's do this, okay? Without further ado, let's begin. Here I've got my potatoes, and of course I'm going to peel off the skin. Once I'm done, lovelies, we will continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. Lovelies, if it's your first time ever stumbling on my channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. And I'm so sure you will love it here, yeah? All done peeling off the skin, it's now time to tidy up the work surface and cut the potatoes into pieces. Cut them into any shape and size of your choice, but this is what I'm going for and it's all fine, okay? Lovelies, I'm still reminding you that don't forget to recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes, okay? There are a lot of food crops porridges out there. We have the cocoyam porridge, yam porridge, cassava porridge, taro roots porridge, and we have potato porridge, which I'm making right now. And we even have the ones made with ripe and unripe plantain, and they are all amazing if done properly. Yeah. Now let's wash them properly and use them later. Yeah. Now to the saucepan, I'm adding all my proteins, and I've got my dry fish. Yeah. Next, I've got my prawns. I wish I had the dry ones, but these are what I've got at the moment. Next, I'm adding my fermented fish. Next, my all-purpose green marinade, which is full of so much goodness. And next, I'm adding my dawa or locust beans. And here we go, beautiful. Lovely. Next, I'm adding my homemade all-purpose seasoning, and it's amazing. Next, my shrimp tablet. Next, my minced garlic. Next, my minced ginger. Next, my chopped onion, my chopped scotch bonnet pepper. And now I'm stirring everything together until well combined. Lovelies. Oh, this smells so good. And we have already started with the steaming process. So after stirring and letting it steam for 3 minutes, I'm now adding salt to taste because it's needed right now. Here we go. And next, my palm oil. Also just like this. Lovelies, I'll then give it a stir until everything is well combined. At this moment, I will allow my sauce to simmer down to release their flavors together really well. And once that is done, I will then add the rest of my ingredients, and here we go, beautiful. Ooh, this is very aromatic. Lovelies, I hope you give this a try and bring me the feedback, which I really appreciate. Now I'm giving it a stir, and at this moment we're going to steam our potatoes together with our sauce for some time until the potatoes absorb all the flavors of the aromatics. If you've observed me properly, you will know that I've not really added water yet, with the exception of the little bit of water that I used to rinse the bowl, in which I had the all-purpose seasoning from the beginning. So all this while, I've been working with the juices of the proteins, and now, lovelies, let's allow them to steam, and in the process, they will release their juices for everything to work out perfectly. Now I'm back, and as you can see, they are doing so well. I love everything about this. Ooh, this is so aromatic. Lovelies, you need to be here. I love this. So I'll let them steam again until the potatoes begin to soften up, and gradually we are getting there. Ooh. Again, I'll give it a stir, making sure it doesn't burn. So my heat is not too high. Okay. I don't want to burn my potato porridge. Not at all. Beautiful. And as you can see, the potatoes are softening up. So I'm using my spoon to just mash some of them, leaving some bits in them because I want my potato porridge lumpy. However, you can break all of them down if that's what you want. Now, at this point, I'm adding water to loosen it up a bit because it's too thick for my liking. And you can see I'm not adding too much water because I want the concentration to be so great. This way, it will taste super, super yummy. Ooh, mamma mia. What an amazing recipe. Everything is so on point. Talk of the flavor checked. Talk of the aroma. So magical. This is because my all-purpose green marinade and my homemade all-purpose seasoning are super amazing. The taste in them will blow your mind. And not to talk of how I've taken my time to build up my flavors. And indeed, this is a must-try recipe. And I couldn't even stop tasting it. My choice of palm oil is also amazing. Now let's cover it up for it to cook to perfection. I'm back after a few minutes and our potato porridge is almost cooked to perfection. So I'm adding my colors and they are the green bell peppers, red onion, and spinach for more flavor and color, since I always say I eat with my eyes. Okay, so now I'll give it a stir until everything is well combined. Lovelies, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share for others to see, and don't forget to also comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Also, don't forget to recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time here, I hope you've been inspired enough to join this amazing family. So please don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Lovelies, at this moment, our potato porridge is ready and it's about to go down. I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles! Peace out.